We have some really special children now, Priyanka, to welcome.
Yes,
Talk about them?
They are our green ambassadors all the way from the United Arab Emirates. They're the torchbearers of LABL in the Gulf region. School kids and Moshmi Das Gupta, the headmistress from DPS Sharjah. Can we please have all of you here? All the way from Sharjah.
Come, let's come onto the stage. You know what these kids have done? Come.
Let them come and then
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And you people have been collecting this money for a long time, haven't you?
Get excited.
Can you tell us what they've been doing?
We've been
Yeah.
we've been very passionately connected to Terry and contributing towards Lighter Billion Lives for the past 3 years. And we are very privileged and honored that you have spared time to have us here. And the children
How
are
have they
very...
been collecting the money?
You know, the beauty of it is that it's very easy to collect funds. But here what they have been doing right from KG1, from kindergarteners, they have been making handicrafts and, making some, working with their own hands, creating certain things, and then selling those. They've been sowing seeds and, plants have been growing, selling those for the lesser privileged
But ma'am, they don't look
citizens of the
15-year-olds.
world.
They look much younger.
No, they are
Can you
not.
imagine doing it at their age? Hi.
They are primary wing children. They belong to DPS Sharjah.
Arjun, Malaika, you might want to meet the kids too. They really deserve it. Look at what they've raised. 1,75,000 rupees for solar lanterns. That's what they've raised. 1,75,000 all the way from Sharjah.
Incredible achievement for these little kids.
Vikram, if you allow me to add that this is just one village and we are almost ready for the next. And also that, this is I would like to appeal to everyone. I know you've been talking about plastic and other environment problems, but we would like to appeal on behalf of DPS Sharjah, the management and everyone, that please come forward. And everyone has the potential to make a difference, and please be just absolutely bold and come forward and do whatever you can for the country.
Okay.
And your donations will make a huge difference, just like this donation from these amazing children all the way from Sharjah. Thank you so much.
Kids, if you want to see what difference this makes to the lives of people, if you want to see the actual
Raising
difference,
all that
take a look at this. This is how this particular
3
campaign
years.
changes people's lives. This is what happens.
In the Hinala village in Madhya Pradesh, the solar lamps are a boon for the primary healthcare clinic. As there is no electricity in the evenings, many babies are delivered in the light of the solar lamp. So far, 50 babies from 18 villages in the area have been delivered with the help of the lamps.
Thank you all so much for joining us.
Before we let them go, I just want to ask to Priyanka and Malaika, don't we all look like the same age?
Yes, you actually do, Cyrus.
Arjun, come.
You.
Physically or mentally? That's the question.
Physically, mentally, everything. Boys, smile into camera. 4 young school boys from Sharjah, we thank you so much.
Thank you all so much. Kids, great
Thank
having
you
you with
so
us.
much,
Thank you so
kids.
much.
Thank you. Can I have a group hug? Group hug, group hug.
Priyanka, you
group
do want
hug.
us to also hug you
Thank
this
you.
time?
All right. Malaika, thank you so much.
Wait. Before Malaika and Arjun leave, Arjun has an announcement to make. He would like to pledge for a village.
I would like to go ahead and what they have done, I would like to continue doing that and inspire more people and do something in my own small way and begin my journey of being able to give back to the world in a small way. So I would like
Arjun,
to.
thank you so much for that stage. It's great having you with us. And I do want to just ask, before we allow them to go, I want to get any of you children who wants to say something. Yeah, which of you wants to say something?
We have made songbooks and we have written many songs in it, and parents have bought them. Then the money was collected and it was donated for LABL, Lighter Billion Lives. She would like to sing a song.
You want to? Carry on.
I've only got a minute or two to sing to you. I look around, it's plain to see so much work to do. I guess it's time to plant a tree or two. I know it's time to plant a tree or two.
Thank you so much. You want to say something?
Our school, DPS Sharjah, have adopted 3 villages, Harimav and Satim in Madhya Pradesh and Navarajapur in Punjab.
Thank you so much for the efforts all of you have made. Really, all of us thank you.
Well done. Bye.
And now, Bacho, please do your homework and everything properly on time Monday morning.
Listen to Sairasan.
Bye, ma'am. Do you have vacancies for elder children who need to study also?
Yeah, absolutely.
Vikram, Arjun, come.
Thank you so much, Arjun.
I'd like to thank all our guests
Arjun,
for
thank
being
you so
here.
much. Malaika, thanks as
Thank
well.
you, Arjun.
Quick break, lot more coming up, and
Thank
a
you,
very
Malaika.
special guest when we return just after this.
All the best.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.